Good morning, everybody. Our first card from the Unicorn Spirit says, see the light within yourself and everyone else. In your pursuit of happiness, you have let go of so many things that don't serve you, and you're in control of your life. And Archangel Gabriel says, stay determined and move forward. You've done all the hard work and you've rekindled your own true self. Follow your own light. Someone is leaving your life, but although you're tired of all the problems and struggles you've been through, you're moving forward, and it's going to be a new emotional situation for you. You're going to be gentle, loving, dreaming, and open-hearted, but you must stay focused on your own narrative or your own where you want to be in your life. An unexpected gift will bring you great joy, says the fortune teller, and Spirit says you will be receiving or giving someone a precious gift. The card under that is happiness. So you're either going to be giving someone happiness or receiving happiness from the universe. And Archangel Michael says there is a better course of action available to you, whatever that means to you. You've set your boundaries, so stay moving on the path that makes you happy. Your loved ones in heaven say laughter. Uplift yourself and those around you through loving laughter. There is a new home, new attitude, and that can either be within or literally you are going to move. You reflecting on the past, but in a forgiving and compassionate way. This is bringing you, there's lots of changes coming about in your life, but you're having success in that area. You're moving towards happiness in your home and all around you. Trust that you are being divinely guided. Your angel card today is 333, and it says, you have been through so much, and this guidance is here to show you that you are exactly where you need to be. Have a lovely day, everybody. God bless you all. Love you.